Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 when you're playing a video game such as Dirt. You keep getting this error. So there is some method, some solution you can get rid error of 126 on your PC. The first method is restart the Windows Module Installer service. You can press Windows R to run the service as MC. Here we go, services.mfc. Click OK. Here you can look for the Windows Module Installer service and stop it. Then start the service, restart the computer and check if the issue get resolved. This one, Windows Module Installer. You can try to stop and then restart your PC and restart the service. Method 2, you can run system file checker. Run as FC scan. Here we go. You can try to run SFC and scan now in administrator of command prompt. So this process will take some time to fix your missing file or corrupted files. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And subscribe button below. See you in the next video.